and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another advent calendar to unbox with you guys. I know I'm a little bit late on this one. I've had it sitting here in my room since I ordered it. Things have just been a little bit crazy over here, so I haven't had the chance to sit down and film it yet. But today's the day. I'm very excited. And I mean, this is the coolest looking advent calendar I think we've gotten. I love these lips. This reminds me of her iconic tins she had. I have one right here, this one, and that's what this is giving me the vibes of. But this right here is definitely one of the more expensive advent calendars. It is the second most expensive calendar that I've unboxed here for my channel. The first was Charlotte Tilbury at 200 bucks. This one comes in at $175. Kind of pricey, and it's only a 12-piece advent calendar, so you're only gonna get 12 different items in there. But they do say the value is supposed to be $330. Of course, I'm gonna do my own calculations once we start getting into it, see if we actually hit it. Yeah, let's get into it. I'm just way too excited. So you just gotta pull off the lips here. Boom. There is our calendar. Where is number 1? Up here. I'll pull the tabs from here. There we go. Ooh, nice and wrapped up as well. And here we have our first item in the box. So this is the Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. Now this one I do believe is a deluxe size. I'm gonna double check it here from the website. And it is indeed a deluxe. It is half the size of one of her minis that she sells on her website. And it is actually just half the size here. We're not getting a Too Faced moment where it's like 1/10 the size of a mini. Oh my gosh, that one was bad. Well, let's see. This one is a exfoliating scrub that has a combination of pineapple and papaya enzymes with BHAs and AHAs that's supposed to give the skin a healthy glow and buff away all the dead skin cells. I'm definitely kind of curious though to see how many deluxe sizes we get inside this calendar though. That is the first. Let's see what happens here. So number 2 is right down here. Looks like it's a little bit larger. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got some lashes here. Oh wow, these are dramatic. Wow, I wish you guys could see how long these are. They're the hoodie number 23. Oh, I gotta pull these out and see them. Wow, I'm putting them on. Snip, snip. I wasn't sure about it at first, honestly. I felt like, I don't know, this style is for me, but I'm kind of warming up to it. I kind of am starting to feel myself a little bit more. It's one of those interesting ones where it's a longer lash and then the shorter one and then longer and the shorter. Might take some getting used to. Let's go to number 3 now, which is in here. By the way, the lashes were full size. Okay, so we have a, I'm guessing liner of sorts. Oh, right on the money. So this right here is a full size of her lip contour that is in the shade Icon. And let's try this one on here. And I just pretended this was a lipstick and just filled the whole lips in. But I do really like her lip liner formulas. These last a really, really long time. They are so good. If I'm doing a red lip, I always reach for her Heartbreaker lip liner because this one is the best long wearing lip liner I have found. Other ones kind of smudge out after a while and that one just like stays locked in. So I really enjoy the formula of these. And that was our second full-size item in a row here. So let's see if we can keep it going. We got number 4 to go to now. Let's see what is in here. Ooh. I don't know why I've been so delicate opening these. I'm not gonna save this part of the box. Let's see, this one feels interesting. Oh, no wonder, it's a sheet mask. I was like, what does this feel like? So this right here is her Thirst Trap Cocoon Mask. Such an interesting name. It is only one sheet mask in here. Let's see, inside she's got the aloe vera, she's got some rose in it, caffeine, sodium hyaluronate, to give you instant hydration, softer skin, a dewy glow, and soothing. I mean, by now you guys kind of know my opinion on one sheet mask for one day in an advent calendar. I'm not the biggest fan of it. I feel like it's a little bit of like a okay item. It's just not the most exciting for me is all I'm gonna say. But we'll see what the rest of this calendar has in store for us. So that was number 4, right? So we're on number 5, which is over here. Let's see what is in this guy. Oh, feels hard. So this is her Get Even Rose Oil. And I would definitely say that this is, again, a deluxe size here. A blend of 15 exceptional oils, as she says. She calls it her Holy Grail Magic Oil. It's supposed to give you healthy looking glow, a brighter appearance, and visibly even texture. Oh, that sounds good. Let's go on to number 6 now. Oh, down here at the bottom. And let's see what is in here. Feels kind of heavy again. Wow, we got a little perfume bottle here. This is the Musk number 12 fragrance. Let's look this up. Okay, so this fragrance has lotus flower, jasmine, vanilla, and sandalwood. Okay, I feel like I am safe to try this one out. I just wanted to kind of check. Oh wow, can really smell that vanilla. It smells really good. No clue she had perfumes. That is totally new to me and I love it. So now we're looking for number 7, right up here. Let's see what this one contains. Feels like, is it a mini eyeshadow palette? This is a newer one too. It's her Nude Medium. These minis have 9 shades, 5 mattes, 4, I'm guessing metallics, but I will swatch them to verify. And I do believe I confirmed it with these swatches. They are very metallic-y and very shimmery. And I think this was a wise choice of her to put this specific palette inside of the box. It's very universal. I think it could suit a lot of different people and it's nothing too wild or crazy where some people are gonna love it, some people are gonna hate it. I think it's kind of like that good, safe palette choice for the calendar. Finally we have an eyeshadow palette in a calendar. That is what I feel like we've been waiting for. How are they gonna top that? Okay, let's see. We are on number 8 now, which is another large one. Let's see what could be in this one. Where's my opening? Oh, it's 2 products? Whoa. Okay, let's open one. What is this? I don't even know what this is. The Life Liner. And then what is this? Mascara maybe? Oh no! Oh wow, this is her Matte and Metals Melted Shadows. Wow, so we got 2 products inside of day 8. That is awesome. They just made up for that one sheet mask. Let's swatch this one first, the Matte and Metals Melted Shadow. Oh no! Oh my god, that is so disappointing. Okay, so I just opened up my metals side of it and I think it wasn't properly closed. It's completely dry. It's just, like there is no moisture left inside of this. I have never had this kind of a problem with an advent calendar before, so I guess I will see how this works. I'll contact them through customer service, let them know about this. This is definitely a first to me. I'll update you guys down below how it goes contacting them, what they end up doing. But yeah, that's really unfortunate. I'll just kind of show you guys the tube of that one, I guess. So it was supposed to be the Metals Pink Champagne, and then the matte one over here is called Bubble Bath. Did look like super pretty shades. So weird too, because the matte side, no issue. Still creamy. Let's move on to the Life Liner. Is this also dual ended? Oh, it is. Wow, 2 products in one. So for this one, we got 2 different types of liners on each end. So we got the regular pencil liner, which I swatched here, and then we got the liquid liner, which I swatched right there. And liquid liner is still very creamy and liquidy, so that one was properly sealed. Neat little combo though. I mean, it saves a ton of space and probably really good for travel too. Okay, on to number 9 now. Let's grab it and see what we are working with here. I always feel so confused. Where do I access it from? This one feels like a mini lipstick. Well, on the money. So this right here is one of her liquid matte lipsticks, and it is in the shade Bombshell. Ooh, we gotta put that on. That's a really cute shade. I like that one. Now let's do number 10 here. Oh my gosh. Wow, just 2 more after this. We're almost at the end. So let's see what is in this one. Ooh! This is a full size of one of her Power Bullet matte lipsticks. And this shade is El Cinco de Mayo. I was kind of enjoying the really light pink shade here, and we're going back for the red. I wore the wrong eyeshadow look. So let's try it on. Even though it's a matte formula, it felt super creamy gliding on the lips. 11, let's do it. What do we have in here? Feels like a pretty large box. Oh, not that large of a product, but let's see what's here. Another one of the perfumes. So this is the Vanilla number 28 fragrance. The other one was the Musk 12. So we have 2 now, same size. Let's see what this one has in it. This one's got Vanilla Orchid, Tonka Absolute, Brown Sugar, Amber Woods, Musk. Okay, let's spray my other arm here. You know, that's not bad. I was a little bit scared of this one. I like the vanilla fragrance, but the Amber Woods kind of scared me a little bit. I was like, oh, is it gonna be too musky? But it smells really good. That is a really nice fragrance. Both of these were a really delicious scent. And now we just got number 12 here. So our final item. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, wow. She put in one of her large palettes. So this right here is her Mercury Retrograde palette. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. I have to swatch this. I gotta. Whoa! So we got 18 shades in this one. We have 9 mattes, 6 high shine creamy metallics, as she calls it, 1 glitter powder, 2 sheer multi-reflective shadows, and 4, as she calls them, ready to layer textures. Okay, this is awesome in my opinion. So she put 2 palettes inside of this advent calendar, one of her minis, one of her full sizes, and I like the contrast between the two. So she put a very wearable nude palette, and then she put one with a bit more fun color, which I think is a very nice pairing. So it's not too much of one kind of palette. You get one more safe, one more experimental. I really like that, and yet this one isn't too experimental where it's gonna be, I think, too crazy for someone to work with. Okay, but that was the last item here. So really quickly, I'm gonna wipe away the swatches. I'm gonna change my lip color out because it does not go with this blue eyeshadow look, and then we will talk about this whole calendar, so I'll be right back. So in total here, we ended up getting 8 full-size items and 5 deluxe-size items. That is a really good ratio of deluxe to full sizes. That's what we like to see, especially something with such a high price tag. You definitely want more full sizes than you want deluxes. And I did add up the value, and I got kind of roughly what they had with the $330 value, so you know, pretty close. It kind of depends on what they give the value to deluxe size items. I got kind of like barely to that $330, but it was still in the $300 range. So definitely really good with that. As far as this calendar goes, I mean, it is a very expensive calendar. I mean, 175 bucks is kind of a lot of money to spend. It's not something you can just be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna pick that up today. It's something you kind of want to like be sure you want before you spend that money, I think. And I have to say, I was very happy with this calendar. I really enjoyed their choices for this calendar. It wasn't anything that had me questioning it, like, why are they putting this in here? It actually had some solid pieces in here. Like, I mean, it was just a really nice combination of different products, I think. I will say though that I was very disappointed with this whole dried out portion of the double-ended shadows here. I am gonna be contacting customer service and I'll keep you guys updated on how that goes. I've never dealt with her customer service before, so I don't know what to expect. I am hoping it's a positive experience, but I'll let you guys kind of know about that. But this is where I'm going to be wrapping up today's video, and now I got something special in treat for you guys. So I got a giveaway. That's right. I got a giveaway here. I am putting together some really fun boxes for this month of December. This is going to be my first giveaway box here. So this is a full medium-sized priority box here. I have topped it full with products here. I'm gonna have different themed boxes, and this right here is my skincare themed box. So I've got, you know, like some eye gel patches, an exfoliator, I got some different serums, toners, masks. I actually ended up saving this one right here. I was gonna save it for myself and I was like, you know what, I really wanna give this away to someone. So I have a PMD facial cleansing device, giant pack of sheet masks down there. I mean, it's just like a whole lot of skincare goodies inside of this box. Of things that I've been saving that I've been wanting to give away to you guys. So I'm gonna have a few of these boxes this month. I will be announcing them in my videos when they are coming up, so kind of look out in my videos when the next ones are gonna be. And how you enter is super duper simple. Number one, you gotta be subscribed to be here on my YouTube channel. The second is also be following me over on my Instagram. I'm gonna be also having a very detailed picture of all of the items inside of this giveaway posted there, so you can kind of see that as well. And then yeah, so you just gotta be following me on those two platforms. And once you're done, just leave me a comment down below saying done and your Instagram handle. That way I know who you are on Instagram as well. So yeah, it's gonna be a really exciting month for giveaway stuff. So hopefully you guys are excited for this. I'll leave more deets down below in the description box, so check that out in case I missed anything. But I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. Good luck to everybody who enters. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, the whole deal. I got kind of mixed up here in the end. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.